Yo. Good morning, chat. I hope you all have an amazing day. Let me put up my trading view. So, that is trading view up. Yep, that's trading view up. Trade. I also need to update yesterday. Was one loss. Going to 8. I will go over the loss yesterday, and I don't think it was a loss yesterday. Personally, every loss I don't see as a loss. I see as a opportunity to improve my strategy and improve my way in trading. So there's always way to improve, right? So that's what we gotta look at. A loss for me, it's still a win at the end of the day because I stick to my plan, right? And at the end of the day, if you stick to your plan, you're a winner, right? So without further ado, let's me put on my camera. There you go. See, because I haven't filled in my journal yesterday because I want to fill it live, so I'm gonna fill it now before we do anything, right? So right, so let's just fill it in quickly before we do anything. 7:45. No, so break it on a 5. Breaking current low. No, breaking previous low. Stop loss on a 15. Taking PP and make loss close. Stop. 5:15. So fake it on 5, to be honest. 0 1 0.25. No, sorry, 0.6. 117. That was 7.5 pips. Not sure around 0. If it was 8, no work on 5. Break even 0. Okay. Get into 4. Uh, 7:55. London goes bearish. Normal sell, breakout. Fat on the 15 actually. Wick entry. Stop loss on the 1 hour, 15. No. 5. 1 daily. 4 hours. 15. Sorry. That's just to top wick on daily. 0 loss 0.25. 105.22. That was 51. 2, lost profit 0. TP hat at 22 pip, I believe, because 1 hour. If I look at every single loss, right? This is the first loss ever. That's an losses where the TP end up hitting. Perfect answer. TP hat. So yeah, there's that. That's journaling, right? So let me get sorted. So without further ado, let's jump on to our analysis, shall we? So monthly, right? Monthly, I said yesterday that the monthly any given time and 16 days yesterday that we are going to follow the wick on a monthly time frame. I said yesterday that we are going to follow the wick on the monthly time frame, right? And now we did. We literally broke the low and we're coming down to the support now. So the question is, what are you gonna do from now? I don't know what the monthly gonna do because we have 15 days left on a monthly. Let me just check real quick what we have for today in terms of news. We have no news today, so that's great. We have USD tomorrow, unemployment claims on Friday, and then core PPI on Friday. Yeah, so it's nothing too crazy today, right? In terms of news. So this is the range that we broke the low on the monthly. We followed the wick on the monthly. Question is what you gotta do here, because you are now coming to a territory of support level, and I assume that even if you were to flip here, you actually can, because you have the liquidity now to flip if you were to flip bullish here on a monthly candle, because we now broke the low, we filled the wick, we come to a support towards 2000. Now I'm not saying it will flip, I'm saying it's a 4-hour flip. We get back to it. So that is what is going on for the monthly. I'm not saying that it will come up. I'm saying that's a possibility because it's now broke the low, come to a support, right? So if it was to come up, it would make sense. Now we have 16 days left on a month. I don't know how the monthly candle will go close. It's got to close at support, or it's going to reject of the support and close bearish with some wick, or is that going to flip? I don't know. So that is a possibility on a monthly that you need to open up for those ideas. So let's drop down to the weekly. The weekly is bearish, right? And we literally closing right. We still under range here. We're not close at the weekly, not closed below just yet. So I would believe that if we to reject off the support on the weekly, then that would be the monthly flip, because now the weekly is a bit awkward because you can see there's a minor support right here as well. So if it was to tap down here and reject, and that will be the liquidity grab, I would imagine. 1978. 1978 will be your next level if you were to drive down. Alexa, stop. Pound list you just drove. You have news or CPIs? Interesting. Fair perhaps move. Yeah, so there's a minor support right around here, and I believe if we're going to the lower time frame, if it was to point down going towards that level, we could take advantage of that, because if we to, I'll say that for the most part this is your major support right here, right? However, we're still in the range and we haven't given sign that we're going to reject or anything just yet for anything. I would imagine if you continue to drive, you will drive all the way down to 1978 for the weekly, and we have 3 days left, right? Today, tomorrow and Friday, right? So can we take advantage of that and going in if we were to drive down, or are we going to reject? So for the most part we are still in the range, so you got to be aware of that. Any given point during this week, this thing can still reject off the support, and this could be just a bottom wick grabbing liquidity. But look left, there's a minor support right here. That's our next level of support. That's the next range that you're looking to do. So let's drop down to the daily. So that is also concerned with the daily as well. If you look at the daily, close below the range, and we in the middle of the range. Every time we close below, where else do we go? We go all the way down here, we trap all the way down here, right? And after creating our top wick, the daily has not created our top wick just yet, and we literally in the middle of the range. So I would imagine we also broke the low on the daily, I believe. So I imagine that today we create some kind of top wick if we were to come down, if we were to drive down today, right? So can we take advantage of that then? Because now it seems like is the weekly and daily also coincide with each other, right? Also line up with each other, and seemingly the monthly also coming down to the most recent, the most major support, right, which is around 1975, right, which is this monthly candle low, right? So that's daily for you. Now daily has not got a top wick yet, broke the low already. So can we take advantage of that? Let's drop down to our small time frame and see what's going. So it's not been moving at all here. You can see it yourself. Yeah, every time you close below, you just literally drive down here. So your next destination is 1974, right? On the daily, 1976, I believe. There's also a minor support right around here. There's a minor support right around there. I believe that if we should drive down, we need to get some type of top wick and a tap into 2006. If you could take advantage of that, that would be amazing. So yeah, a tap into 2006 would be amazing here. Would be ideal. 2005. But for us to come down, I would imagine you better come down, break the low first on a 4 hours, and you have now. So if you reject here, this is the range you're in. Do we have any minor? We have one right around here. Yeah, we have one right around here. Yep. Pound just dropping down here. I believe pound today will continue to break the low on the daily here, and that will be the weekly wick fill. I believe that you can come down all the way towards daily low, and that's what about touch down. If the 15 can close below here though, if the 15 can close below that, you have range to go down. Yeah, you have range to go down if you close below here. Well, at least towards here anyway. That's a 10 pips move. But yes, I'm looking for gold breaking the low now. If gold decides to flip here and coming up, it wouldn't be too bad either, because I understand that the daily still to create a top wick, right? So if you can take advantage of that, then that'd be amazing. Catch me if I fall. Now, we're not coming in to be greedy, to make it back our loss, right? Even though we lost one yesterday, right? The whole point of us turning up today to do the exact same thing, stick to a plan and everything, right? So it's not do anything differently. That's the whole point. Yeah, there's our positions right around here. Yeah, if you can take advantage of pushing up here, that'd be amazing. Catch me if I fall. I imagine that if you were to drive down, you would need to come up here at least to create some kind of top weight first before you come down. Last time you come down, you come straight down now. So let me see. If you close below 1985. I believe that should be your sell off the rep if you were to like decide to go aggressive for that. Yeah, 1986. Yeah, 1986 pretty clean. Now that's only in the event that it's coming straight down, like mirroring this move right here. Mirroring this move right here. I don't know if it's gonna mirror or it's gonna come up first for a top wick. That is hard part you want to find out. Right, so with GU, I've already marked everything up pretty nicely. Still close below the range for the most part, right? And this is your support right here. Yeah, you're close below the range for the most part. Yeah. You came down to this support here now. Question is, how are you gonna break this? Yeah, there's a minor support right around here. If you break this though, yeah, if you break this, I believe you can come all the way down. See, in terms of like minor resistance, where do you have? You have one right here. Yeah, you do. So the wick fill coming down is actually not bad here. Is that the wick fill? Yep, it's a minor, exactly where it is. Pointed out as well. Now, if we can come up and create some kind of top wick for the 15 and then come down for the rest of the wick on a 1 hour, I'll be in there. Because understand that even if we should drive up today, we would need to come down and break the low at some point before we drive up. Okay, amazing. You know what we'll do here? Go for a sell here. Understand that the 15 just closed, just open up with no bottom wick, close below as well. So our TP would be right around here, would be the wick fill. Understand that even if we're to come up, we would need to come down and fill the rest of the wick just first before we do it. Stop loss would be well right up here. Yeah, daily close below. Question is that the top wick from daily? 15 open up no bottom wick, so actually put my stop loss up here. Because if you're going up there, you're gone though. Yeah, there's a minor support resistance here, right around here. Yeah, understand that the 15 no bottom wick, right? Understand that if we were to come up, a break of the low would require for you to come up. I look left. Every time you come down, you have clean traffic. Like you have clean traffic coming down here. Look left as well. You're coming from here, right? You have clean traffic coming down here. I don't imagine you stop here just yet. Yeah, re-break of his own low and want the 15 flip here. That'll be your break even. Break even point right here. I believe there's a minor support right here. Yeah, there's a minor support right around here. Yeah, there's a minor support resistance over there. If you can come down, break the high, and you end up flipping here, you should drive here. I believe that also the 1 hour break the low, 4 hours break the low. Yeah, we should literally just drive down here. The 15 should flip, and understand that when the 15 flip and follow the wick, that'll be your advantage point, because by the time it's come down here, there's your minor resistance right here, support right here. When you drop down to there, you'll be in 6 pips anyway. Understand that's your advantage point. Good morning, bro. How are you doing, bro? We're in a short right now for GU. Came in a bit late. I would have got in city sooner if I came up earlier, but hey ho, it is what it is. But I'm in short right now, expecting the 15 to flip and follow the wick. Understand that if it was to come out, it would need to break the low first and then flip. So in 8 minutes here, I believe that the 15 will flip. Yeah, there's a flip. Yep, there's a flip right there. And now it's a break-even trade, right? Now it's a break-even trade. And I believe that we should just drive all the way down here. There's no concerning whatsoever, because it's literally a very clean trade. There's a 15 flat. The 15 should just follow the rest of the wick here. Understand that even if we should drive up, a break of the low or the wick fall would require for us to come up. You know what I'm going to do here? Let's see how the 5 minutes candle close here, right? Yeah, the 15, like, understand that the 15 should come down, even for us to drive up. I would imagine like a break of a low, or at least a wick on a wick fell, would require us to come up. So you know what I'm gonna do here? I'm gonna close full there, based on the current 5 no top wick, so it might just reject and come up and follow the wick on the 5, so then it's going to be very tough. I understand that the 15 flip now, and that's your advantage point. So there you go, that's a trade done. I believe we were in for I think we picked was there 4 pips there, but it's fine though. Yeah, that's our whole premise of the trade right there. I believe you still have you should still have a lot of positions and play to go with this trade, because you have now come to this range. You're close below here now, and I believe this is a matter you're gonna do. So this is only the half an hour, the 1 hour candle is 2, so I wouldn't sweat if you missed a trade. But yeah, that's a trade for the day. Let's just update our trade today to 1123. Wait, was that 22 or 23? Did I put that in? Right, you see the yesterday trade, just make sure that I am accurate. Yeah, it's 23. One win. Cool. You see what I mean? So now the 15 flip now. That was your whole advantage point, and because 5 has no top wick here, understand that once the 15 flips, that's your advantage point. You don't want to stay any longer, because at any given time this thing can just like come down, break the low, and then come up to create a top wick, right? And that's going to be very tough. And there's only 3 minutes on the 15. You don't want to be part of that. So looks like it's going to close doji here. So yeah, we get in and we get out. Although though, if I was in earlier, my entry would have been right up here, because I was eyeing on the, I believe that was a 1 hour flip after breaking the high, the 4 hours flip as well. Yep, that was my original idea, I believe. But it's fine though. There you go, that's a 15 flip here. I wouldn't care too much, even if I didn't get a perfect entry. That's not really my focus anyway. So gold right now is it's very awkward, because it's in this range right here, right? Understand that, so we are in this range. We broke the low now on 4 hours. The 1 hours look like it's gonna flat, but then we're not broken out this range at all. So like if we were to drive up, I would imagine that we can even come down here, break the daily low, and then the flip would not be too bad. But right now it's a bit tough. It's not doing anything, there's no volume. So that's why I'm looking to trade GU right now, because there's nothing to do for gold. I believe we just have news for pound, right? Aye, we did. We have CPI. How you doing, Harry? How your trading go, bro? What are we looking at? I had to leave yesterday. For my uni, and my stop loss got hit yesterday. Literally 5 pips into my stop loss, and then gold literally just done this. It's a lesson though. It's a way to improve. 5 pips into my stop loss, right? Wham! How many pips is this? 300 pips. 2 minutes after my stop loss got taken out, and I believe that my stop loss was a bit immature. Like my stop loss was a bit too tight. It should have been above this candle. If it was above this candle, man, I'm eating good this week. But it's fine though. It's break even this week for me. It's a lesson and learn. That's what I love about trading, because you can always look into a loss and not see it as a loss, and you see it as a way to improve how you trade, right? And see, because I was in uni, I was not like focusing at all. I didn't have my computer on my screen with me. Probably no trades because of early news. Yeah, I know. I think break-even level might get hit here. The 5 minutes no bottom wick here, so that might be tough. The 15 no bottom wick here. The 30 minutes open up no bottom wick. You know what you can take advantage though? The 30 minutes flip here. If the 30 minutes flip, that is your play. Understand that if you were to come down here and break the low and then flip, yeah man, you're in there. I think we might get yeah, I was talking about yesterday trade. I was just looking for like a way to improve, like how I could improve that. I wouldn't say that what I could have done or anything, because every trade is unique and what's done is done, right? You can always look to grow and be a better trader, like how to like manage better, right? Each and every trade, right? Once the trade done is done, right? But you can always look to improve it, right? So see, yesterday my stop loss was so bad, bro. My stop loss was completely out the loop, because understand that if we were too close above here though, then you're gone, and that would be 122 pips. Now you're gonna think that's mad, but it's logical, because if you close above here, every time you close above here you drive, right? And that it would make sense if we were you to come up here and drive. But however, I don't understand why I put my stop loss so around here. That is not even a level of resistance or anything. It's a minor level resistance, but there's a major level of resistance right around here. I don't know why I put it there, but it's done. But 300 pips move 2 minutes after your stop loss got taken out for 5 pips. I believe it was like 5 pips away. 17 pips, I think. Yeah, 17 pips. But 2 minutes after that, wham! 300 pips move. Nah. Usually, new traders would not be able to cope with that kind of the trader would not be able to cope with that kind of emotion, I'll tell you that. FOMO, I could have done that, I should have done that, and all that good stuff. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, right? Oh my god, only if I hold the trade a bit longer. No, if you stick to your plan, stick to your plan. Yeah, but that's what I've taken out from that loss, that trade. But I posted a screenshot just to keep it transparent, just so that everything, if I was taking a trade online and on stream, everything will be documented. If I don't take a trade online or like during the stream, then it's fine. But if I take this trade during the stream, I like to keep things documented. Yeah, it looks like you're just gonna fly down here, my guys. 30 minutes no bottom wick, so if we can come down, we break the low and then flip, that will be your buy opportunity right there. Gold's not moving, still hovering with this range. We close doji above the range though. Nah, this is rough. There's no volume for gold at all. There you go. The other fly down. I've said that, like, even if, like, I would not have done any differently with that trade, because that 5 minutes closure right here, no bottom wick with no top wick, 30 minutes close, no top wick either. So regardless, my trade will be out either way. So I believe that if we were to drive down here, a break of the low and then flip, I reckon you could take it as a pullback, because there's a minor support right here. There's a minor support right here, right around here. Yeah, you tap into that. Yeah, so now you want to see how the 30 minutes candle react here, because we are just literally just dropped down to fill the rest of the wick on the 30 minutes and the 1 hour. I don't believe that we have the move just yet. I think there's still volume there. So even though the news just came out, you could still probably look for opportunity here. But you need to be very patient, because it's very, the overall idea on the daily and today trade, right? With daily close respecting this level. I was talking about this morning. Daily's close respecting the weekly come down to fill the rest of the week. So it's very, very sketchy to take buy here, but doesn't mean that you can't take buy, because understand that you want to create some kind of top wick to come down. So if you look left, every time we create a top wick to come down here, especially where did you tap into 25.72. Last time you tap here as well. There's a minor support resistance right around there. If you want to come all the way down here, you also tap 27.83, right? So overall, if we don't come down like completely, I would imagine 25.83 would be very doable. Now, if the 5 goes back into a range here, I might be able to go in for a buy here. Because understand that the 30 minutes want to flip here, because now it's for the wick. You have a vantage point for the 30 minutes to come up and for the range. Only if the 5 minutes goes back into a range. Because that would be the 5 fake out. And your advantage point is all the way down here. From here towards here. Right? So yeah. Gold, I'm probably not going to trade until NYC by the look of this. It's not doing anything. At 1 hour looks like you're gonna close back in here, right? Yeah, you are. Yep. Yeah, look like you got close back in here. So even if we should come up here, if you close back in here, every time you close respect in, you fly up to grab liquidity right around here. So this is kind of similar move that I'm looking for if it was to matter in here. So if you close respect in on the next hourly candle coming down, breaking the low, you can definitely go for a buy up. At least towards here, your break even be right around here. Yeah, man. Even the news. Live trading. What's up, bro? Nick Cage. Yeah. I couldn't find what you call that, a category, content type on Twitch that's suitable for trading. So I just put League of Legends because that's the only game I play anyway. I plan to stream playing that sometimes during the summer as well after I finish my uni. So I know it doesn't make sense, but right, the 1 hour, 90 minutes left. I know it doesn't make sense, but bear with me. League of Legends content will be coming. Obviously, when I can fit it in. Probably like more so like during the weekend or something like that, because like during the week I like to do my job. I like to keep this and do that. Like trade 2 sessions at London and NYC session. Because that's a lot of volume. I'm probably not going to trade pre-New York, but pre-New York has nothing. So 3 minutes here until the 15 close. Yeah, it looks like you got to call respect in here. Look left every time you call respecting. Yeah, every time you call respecting, you do manage your way out. Towards 583. Yeah, that's a clean push up here. Yeah, I'll probably wait for the 1 hour candle here. So like 17 minutes left for the 1 hour candle. You don't really want to do anything. Once you wait for the 1 hour candle to close, and then once it does that, the next hour candle open up, breaking the low. Oh my days! You bet you know what I'm going to do next, right? Because the 30 minutes won't have a top wick, I don't think, by the look of this. There's a couple plays you can make with this. How many pips is this range? 10 pips, right? 9 pips, right? There's a couple plays you can do. Now, you are expecting the pullback, right? So every time you make a run, what do? You make a pullback, and then you make a continue to run, right? If that is the case, if this is your run and you make a pullback, in order for us to make a pullback like this, you understand that a break of the low or the wick fill will be required to grab liquidity for us to come up and then make a pullback. So there's 2 plays you can make here. You can take advantage of the wick fill coming down to grab liquidity. That's one play. Or you can wait for it to come down, fill the wick first, and then enter and look for confirmation. That's a bit more risky to do, I would say. And look for a way to enter based off of the candle close on 5, I believe, if you were to come back. And look at 5 minutes on it. Looks like the 30 minutes gonna 5 no top wick. So that's the two plays you could do: the pullback or the grab liquidity, come down and wait for the wick on the 1 hour. So the more wick we have, the more range we could expect to drive down here. So even if the 1 hour candle closed like this, right? I believe if the 1 hour candle continue to close below our range right here, I believe that we do have. Why is that based off the 4 hours thing? Is this based off the 4 hours? No, it wasn't. Yeah, we closed below the most recent support right here. Yeah, pretty clean. Pretty clean for the most part, I'll say. Yeah, if you close below here, I believe that if you were to make a pullback or top wick, whatever you want to say, you would need to come down for the rest of the wick, and then you would be able to have liquidity to drive up. So Harry, I know the news just came out, but you have volume here, bro. It's moving. It's not like fucking gold that's stuck into this shitty 37, 36 pip range right here. There's no move. Whereas GU is actually moving. Like you can definitely take advantage of this, bro. Just got to see how the 30 minutes candle closes as well. That's key. If the 30 minutes candle closes like this, right? If the 30 minute candle closing like this, the weight is closing right now. Right? So for it to like drive up, I would imagine a break of the high, grab liquidity, that will be a top wick on the 1 hour, and then a flip coming down to re-break the low, and then you drive up from here onwards, and that will be very clean too. So that's the scenarios I'm anticipating if the 30 minutes were to close doji the way it's showing right now. You see how I was saying the 30 minutes no top wick, and we literally just came down for the wick and then come all the way up towards the flip of the 30 minutes, and that's like 9 pips, 10 pips. The reason I didn't want to go in there because there's no guarantee that the 30 minutes were going to come up, because it's like the overall bias is still pushing down heavily. Like that's just like catching a falling knife. You don't want to do that. However, wait for the 1 hour here, and you have potentially have more opportunity. You see how the 30 minutes now, you see how the 30 minutes now is flipping and coming up? What I was saying that it could play out, but I wasn't sure it was gonna play out because of 5 no top wick here. final top wick, so that's very sketchy to play. But wait for the 1 hour wait for the 1 hour candle closure here. If the 1 hour candle closure below the range, oh my god, you got like, bro, you got the 16 pips coming down to play with, including a top wick on a 1 hour. But if it doesn't close below the range and it closes respecting, it might be a bit tough to play with. How's gold looking? Still in the range. 4 hours re-breaking the low. 30 minutes. There's a minor resistance right around here. Yeah, there's a minor resistance right around here. Okay. If you were to drive up from here gold, what would you do? What was the last time you struggling around here? If you would drive up today, I believe, no, drive down today, I believe you would need to tap into 2000 at least, right? Or 1996. However, this play right around here. If you close below that, you're gone though. Yeah, every time you would every time you go hovering around here, you either come down first towards 1986 or come up, tap into come up towards 2000 and then you drive down. Yeah, closer below that. Sell closer below that would not be too bad either. Why did I put the line 1986 there though? See how the 30 minutes now rejecting and come up. You see, that's what I was talking about. Now it's really down to the 1 hour candle closure here, because if it doesn't close below the range, it might be slightly tough, because there's no guarantee that it's going to continue to drive down. What you can say though is that every time we drive down, we're coming all the way up here to drive down. So as long as you you are still below this range for the most part, 25.87, right? You still be able to drive down, I believe. And that is like your top wick on a 4 hours candle, or whatever you want to call it. You tap into here, that's where every time you come down, as long as you don't close above that, you'll be fine. Yeah, same goes as here as well. You tap into 25.84, I believe, and then come down. But with the way the 1 hour candle closed, now coming back into a range. With the way that one hour candle closed, as long as it closed below, you can look for the wick fill on a 1 hour. That's pretty aggressive, but it wouldn't be too bad of an idea. Yeah, I really want to see how the FTMO candle closes here, because that will give us the play that we want to go to. $15 bottom wick. Every time you were struggling here, if you don't make your way out, you tap into 1996 for the most part if you to drive down, and the daily show that you close below the range, but you want to look for a top wick, right? Yeah, 1996 looking very clean too. And if you were to drive up, where did you drive up from? I believe you would drive up from here for the most part. Yeah, that's where you pop into. If you reject off of this and you come down, you tap into this level and you reject, that's what you do. You drive up. All this rejection. Yep. You tap into here. If you don't close below, you do show sign that you will come up. Yeah, there's a level of support and resistance right here. So it depends on come down to what price you want to do first. However, if it's gonna close below 1985, then you're gone though, because you're going into a new range. Yeah, you're going right through this range right here. If you close below that. Right, let's see. 1 minute. 1 minute closure and then 30 minutes. Let's see what it's doing here. So the 1 hour looks like it's gonna close below here, huh? Okay. Maybe a little bit aggressive in terms of entry. If the 1 hour open up, create some kind of top wick first, I might go a little bit aggressive, but we'll see. We'll see how much of an advantage point we have first. Depends on how the how the fine 15 close here. Okay. 15 no bottom wick. Open up coming down first. Okay. Can you come down and break the low on the 30 minutes here? If you can. If you can, that'd be amazing. You know what I'm gonna do here? I'm going for buy here. Now, on the re-break of the, if you close below here though, you're gone. But your break even should be right at the flip on the 1 hour. The 15 no bottom wick. 30 minutes just break this low. 5 no top wick, just broke the low. That should be your break even point right here. TP should be right around here, just for now. And if the 1 hour they decide to come down and break this low, then that's fine. But I believe that the 30 minute just came down and broke this low with that top wick. 1 hour close below as well, but we need, I'm anticipating some kind of top wick before it was to drive down with the 15 no bottom wick either. So yeah man, pretty chill. For the most part, if you close below here though, that's only 11 pips. Now, risk gonna be aggressively managed here because that 1 hour flip, understand that that's your advantage point. That's where you want to put stop into break even, right? And I believe that should give you 3 pips advantage anyway. That's a 30 minutes candle just broke the low on the previous one. Now if the 1 hour candle just come down and break the low as well, that'd be amazing. If you come down and break this low though, the push up gonna be hard. Understand that the 1 hour, we just closed below the range. Understand that if we were to come down further, and push further, I would imagine I would imagine that you come up for a top wick. Yeah, you would come up literally and make a pullback because you close respecting this level right here. You didn't close below, so that's why I believe that you are going to make a top wick first. Right, so step 1 done. That the 1 hour wick fell, break the low. Even if the 15 close away is closed right now, I would imagine that the next 15 coming up create some kind of top wick if it was to come down. Look in this 15, no top wick. The 30 minute just broke the low, so did the 1 hour come down first, no top wick. So I would imagine that if we were to drive down now like this, I would imagine you come up something like this, create some kind of top wick work, and that will be your break even anyway. Every time you come down from this level, I believe you reject off of here, you tap into this level. If you were to drive all the way down here, that's what you do. You tap here, you come down here, tap here, come down here, tap here, come down here, tap 25.84, come down here. So I don't see any reason why you do anything differently this time. It's only 10 minutes into a 30 minutes candle as well, so Jesus, gold, you're coming down with no bottom wick here. Man, this is dry. You're still in this range for the most part. Yeah, stop your god thing out here. Yeah, it looks like it just was completely drive down here. That was 14 stop loss. Yeah, that was a bit risky from me. I thought that the 1 hour was gonna come up to create some kind of top wick first with the way it's doing it, but that was a bit too aggressive. But we ain't break even anyway. I got a, I'm pretty sure that was heavily from here because there's a minor support right here, right? Yeah, there is. I wouldn't be surprised though if we ended up coming up here for a top wick. Like, I would not be surprised because we only 15 minutes into the 30 minutes candle. My stop loss is a bit too tight, I think, but I would not be surprised if we ended up coming up for a pullback here before you come down. But yeah, man, that's a trade for today. One win, one loss. That's 9. Right. Gold just come down here. Yeah, not gonna do anything differently, right? I said that it's gonna be very, very aggressive. If I was to go and buy here, expecting a pullback, but I wasn't doing that. With the 30 minutes, with a 15 or bottom wick, 30 minutes no top wick. Yeah, that was a little bit aggressive, that. Support here though. You did not close them. Yeah, you didn't. You come down, you break the low first. I'll stay until 10 to see what's happening or go pushing. To see what's up. But yeah, we had break even today, so I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. I'll probably wait for the NYC open, to be honest. Nah, it's too rough to play gold right now. The 1 hour no bottom wick. And if you push here, I'm expecting if you go to push here, you come all the way down to 1985. And then you see some kind of reaction from there. I want to see what scenarios would play out if I have to stop slightly bigger, because I can see there's a minor support right here. So if I had a bigger stop loss, what would happen? Would it get taken out, or would it come back to the level that I was looking at for the 1 hour to come back and create a top wick? That's what I like to see, what kind of scenarios would play out, and that's just how you're gonna improve, right? Every loss you look into a loss and you see what kind of scenario play out, and then over time you look like to improve, not change what you have been doing, but just improve it. Yeah, I can't really trade gold right now. because until it happened to 1985 or 1996, there's nothing much you can be doing. I'm looking like this could be a mirror. So if you can continue to, if that's a mirror you would do, if you close below 1985, you can definitely take a sell down towards 1976, and it would be just clean. I believe we don't have news today, so it wouldn't be too bad of a push either. I'm just more interested in see what you're gonna do here. There's still volume in this pair. Looks like you're going to continue to push down. So that means that the daily and the weekly taking over here, because the weekly gonna just for the rest of the week, right? Yeah, it looks like the daily's just taking over. Same with the 4. So every time you tap into here, that's a clean drive. You don't come down without a pullback. Okay. Same thing happened here as well. There's a minor level right here. So if you break that, should be able to just tap straight into 25.35, I believe. I'll delete this for now. Like a lot of the time, I know it's frustrating to like sit and wait, but that's just a beauty of trading, right? You got to wait until everything lines up, everything makes sense. And I've been there, like had break even so many days, and just want to like, you just want to make profit, don't you? And it's understandable, but that's not the kind of mindset you want to keep if you want to be in here for long term, because it's all down to the skill sets that you want to do. Like especially for new trader. Like, I remember when I was new, every time I hit break even, I was like, I'll be hunting. I'll be looking for. I would not be like analyzing like, okay, so what happened that trade then? So what did I do wrong, or how I could improve it? I would not look at it that way. I would look like, so okay, I just took a break even trade. So where can I take the next trade? And then before you know it, I blew I think I blew at least 10 accounts before I start to like sitting down and be like, okay, this is what I did. This is not working. Why am I keep doing it? Yeah, I remember the break-even days. When I was new, especially when I was new. Now I don't really care. Now I'm just looking to see if it's play out is play out, and looking to like improve, like what I can improve, not change my strategy, improve my strategy. Every time I take a trade, regardless of the result, win, loss, break even, like regardless of result, you can always look to improve your ideas and how you read candles and stuff like that. And it's all down to like your efficiency of how you read chart, right? Because every candle is a piece of information, and every time frame, they're all related to each other. Because every 2 candles of 15 is a 1 candle 30 minutes, right? And the same thing for 1 hour as well. Every 2 30 minutes is a 1 hour candle. Looks like we are going to close below the range here on the 30 minutes. However, you have a minor support right here. So if you're coming down here and you ended up coming up first, create a top wick, and on the flip, that would not be bad. That wick entry though, that wick entry was definitely way too aggressive. Yeah, but we only got down to like the 30 minutes, half of the 1 hour candle here. I would imagine. So now you flip on the 15. Interesting. Yeah, there's a minor support position right here. I really want to see how this play plan out, how my previous trade plan out. So it's reject off the minor support right here. Every time you reject off of that level, where did you go to? You go all the way up here, right? Which is the flip of the 1 hour. Yeah, you did that previously as well. If you reject off of this level, come up, coming from here, reject off this level, come up. Okay, the famous kind of goes below now. How did the 15 kind of close? Below the range here. Yeah, everything goes below here. also have this massive support right around here that you don't want to mess about with. Now it's pretty tough because you don't know what the other half hour on this 1 hour candle gonna do, because yes, it's coming down now, but are we coming down to break the low on the 15 then flip, or are we actually coming down and follow it on the 30 minutes and completely break and come all the way down to 25.35? Yeah, this 1 hour candle close is going to be very interesting. I can't trade gold, man. Gold's not moving. You move a little bit. You move 50 pips down, but the 1 hour candle close is no bottom wick. Same with 30 minutes, same with 15, same with 5. Yeah, that definitely would not participate in that. Man, I remember those days when I see move like this happening. I would be so FOMO. 300 pips, and always end up entering right in the middle of the range without like having a logical answer with why you enter in it, not waiting on the closure, not waiting on the 5 minutes candle close, not waiting on 15 minutes candle close, not waiting till the market just settle down a little bit before you enter. So I usually just enter right off the push. So whatever direction it push, I would just literally just hop on the train and just like buy or sell whatever direction it push. And bro, I would get literally get margin call every other 5 minutes, because it would be the liquidity grab, or literally a fake out if you want to say, where it just like come out first to grab liquidity and then just like flip on the other half. I would imagine, shit, I need to go in, it's moving. Man, I remember those days. But with time, everything comes with experience, right? Yeah, the fam is just pushing down here. You don't really want to be part of this. But I'll stay here until the 1 hour candle close, because I really want to see how it will play out. Because that's what I'm more interested in, not to look for trades or anything. I'm more interested in what play it will play, what play you're gonna plan out. Because yeah, every time you come up, push from here, it makes sense. You have clean traffic coming all the way down. Alright, so if the 5 closed below here, think it's just gonna continue to push. Yeah, that was a perfect trade actually, because now you see that it continues to push, right? Have a bigger stop loss would not do anything here, because the whole bias, the whole today bias is literally coming down because the daily literally closed below the range. So after create a top wick close below the range right here, not there, here. Close below the range, close respecting the support, come up first for a top wick. You can see that that's a top wick right here. So the push now is actually makes sense. And what else I'm going to say? And the 4 hours, if you look left, every time we come up from here, tap into there first, we do make our way down towards 25.30 for the most part. So yeah, that was very aggressive for me, but we will look to improve. That's for sure. That what we do. That's what I'll do anyway. But yes, now it's a bit dry because now you don't know what it's gonna do. For all I know, it could just continue to push all the way down here to 25, 35, and that's only a 10 pips move. With the way that things looking, we have 22 minutes left onto the hourly candle. Things might get a little bit tricky. Because the current hourly candles don't have a top wick, right? So I would imagine that you would come up first. Current hour candle, no top wick, I'll come up first and then flip. And that would be your that would be right here, this level right here. And that would be like 1 hour right before the 4 hour candle close, so pretty rough for if it was to play out. But I'll stay here until the 1 hour candle close here, because I really want to see how it's closed. How's everyone doing? How's you guys morning? How's your trading and stuff like that? Are you trading according to your plan? Are you sticking to your plan? How did your trading this morning go? Or you just watching me getting a break even? Top wick coming down, breaking low first. What you gotta do here? for the most part you do come down here. I believe that should be your what do you call that? The daily and weekly wick fill, right? Yep. Yeah, you have range to go down. There's a minor along the way here you want to watch out. But apart from that, a closure below here should give you be able to get you all the way down. Yeah, a closure below 25.42 should get you down to 25.23, I believe. Yeah, anything that goes below you make your way down, goes below, make your way down. Question is, how the 1 hour candle gonna close here? Delete that for now. You tap right into the support that I just draw. You didn't break below it, tap right into it. Come down, you break below. What are you doing here? Is that the fake out on the 5? Just looking. Yeah, no worries, bro. Yeah, all good. I'm doing this just to keep myself accountable, to continue to improve, and obviously if I be able to like show you guys how I do and how I improve and stuff like that, that's a win, right? And if I could even like teach people with the mindset and just stay consistent and disciplined, that also a win too, because at the end of the day everyone can win, right? Yeah, the 5 could respect them. likely we're just gonna come down for the most part. You close below the most recent support now, so last time you come down, you do make your way down here. Looking left, you do make your way down here. Yeah. So this is level you looking to tap into onto of the daily if you were to drive up. The 1 hour is rough though, because no bottom wick on a 1 hour. Alright, 13 minutes until I brought GBPUSD boost. With GU, it's a bit rough right now because you don't really want to look for a trade, because right now it's very tough to get in a trade, because if you were getting a trade, you want to look for a pullback, and a pullback could be somewhere around this level or this level. Understand that we just made a push down, right? So after every push, what's gonna generally happen, you're gonna want to see a pullback, and that will be your liquidity grab if you were to drive down further, right? So I would imagine right now you want to wait. You don't want to hunt just yet, because any given time this thing can still push down to grab liquidity down, break the low on the 1 hour, right, for it to come up and make a pullback. So right now you don't really want to hunt, bro. It might be quite tough to look for a trade right now with the way things is looking. What I'll do say though is that you want to wait for the 1 hour candle close and how it opens up. And then see what it's gonna do, because there's two levels of retracement you could look for around here, which is a top wick on a 1 hour, or around this level right here. But if you look left, you come back. If you look left, that's the level you tap into every time you're coming down, right? I think that is helpful. Same here as well. You tap into here for the most part, but before you tap into here, if I'm not mistaken, you come down first to grab liquidity, and I would imagine that you would do that first before you make a pullback. Right, so that is the hard part, because you really want to wait. This is where your patience coming in. You're off to sleep. Yeah, Harry, take care, bro. Take care. I'll catch you in another stream, man. I'll catch you in another stream. Have a good rest of the day, bro. I'm gonna dip off after the 1 hour candle close here, because I anticipate that it will come up to make a pullback first before anything happens. Or you can just drive down straight towards 25, 23 for what I know, right? But in either case, it's not in my plan, so I'm probably not going to do anything here. So I'll wait for the 1 hour candle to close, and then we'll see. With the way things look, after the 1 hour candle close, I'll probably call it a day. yeah, that's what I've got for GU right now. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Because right now it's very tough. It's so tough. Because like I know it's as hard as it sounds, and as hard as to see the market push without you and make like 50 pips move, 60 pips move without you, and you say shit, I should have gotten. But yeah, now you don't want to be part of, because understand that right now we come into this level of support right here, right? And if we got to this level of support, what do we generally do? Well, make a pullback around this level. So yes, you can either take a pullback as well if you want to, but I did that. I took buy right here, expecting the 1 hour to flat, but it was a bit too aggressive, because there was a minor support right around here that I didn't see at the time, but now I can see why it rejects off of that level. Yeah, now you don't really want to see to trade. It's way too tough until we make like until the 4 hour candles close and make a top wick and everything, all that good stuff. Until the 1 hour candle close here, I'm gonna call it a day, because there's nothing to look for. The reason I'm still staying, because I want to see how is that the liquidity grab then. You're breaking all the low. You break all the low, you come down here, you tap into it. Five goes back into a range. So is this a fake out on the 5? Yeah, looks like you come down here, you break all the low. Let's tap into that support. Yeah, if the next one end up coming down first, then that will be your indication that there's going to be a pullback. That being 15 pips. Okay. Interesting. Famous flood. Cold below that, so yeah, I see why you come down. Yeah, I can see why you come down. You see how I was saying that you could coming up for a top wick, and that would be your break-even point. And the 1 hour looks like it's got 1 minute left. Looks like it's going to close respecting here. See the 4 hours, let's see what's cleaner. This is definitely cleaner. You actually can definitely take a sell down here, I believe. If we come up first, break the high on the 30 minutes, get a top wick, tap into that level, you can take a sell down here. That's only if and only if we come up first. Break the high. If it's drive down here, I'm not gonna. I don't really care too much. a support right here. You could write at the support as well. Because now it's a range that you're in now, right? If this is a range that you're in now, I would imagine if we choose to drive down, if you were to drive down, you would tap into this level. Right here. I think you did. Yeah. You tap and you close, respecting. And if we should drive up for make a retracement, you need to go down and grab liquidity first, which is right around this level. Okay, so that makes sense. And we should drive up here. Right, I'm gonna call it a day. That 1 hour could just kind of just close, and there's nothing I can do here until it prints more data and shows a move that it wants to do, whether it be coming down for the wick on a 1 hour to break the low, tap into this level, and then for it to come up and make a pullback, and that would be a top wick on a 4 hours, I believe. If that was the case, then yeah, we can definitely come in. So for now, for the most part, there's nothing for me to be doing here. For gold, it's dry as well, no volume. Still hovering around this range. For the most part, there's nothing. There's no play right here. Right around here. Yeah, right around here is fine. It's where you close that. Yeah, right around here. That's a new range that you're in now. So yeah, there's nothing to be doing here in terms of play. It's stuck in this range. For us to break out of this range, I believe that 1996 for us, we need to get tapped first, and or at least 1993. But 1996 is commonly tapped before you come down. 1983 to 1996. Yeah, so a break of 1993 towards 1996 is required if we were to come down. So same thing with GU2. If we can if we can come up, tap into 925.54, that'd be amazing, because that will be your liquidity graph. Every time we tap into here, where do we tap into? This. Tap here. You need to tap this. Yeah, I would imagine 25.82. We need to tap here, and after this 1 hour for the wick, it will be interesting for our candles. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a stream a day. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream today, and hopefully you learn a thing or two. And if you do continue to trade, please trade with trade accordingly to your plan. Trade how you always trade. Don't stay formal. And if you feel like you had enough to come off the chat, take a break, go touch some grass. But yeah, man, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, 7 AM UK time, as usual. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna call it a day, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have an amazing rest of the day. If you continue to trade, please do trade, follow your plan, right?
Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ending up. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark thoughts, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You trying to run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, knows my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody trying to stunt, let them know the focus up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Roll me to this paper. Hey, I'll see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You trying to run? You know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see. How you think you can fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. And the doctor got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Throw what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head at you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real. How to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they fleeing, when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all high like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the focus up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate now you. Now what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you been on for this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I don't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all high like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the focus up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. Now what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you been on for this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, all my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, knows my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in a beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all high like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Throw me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. Now what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can hate that I had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you been on for this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swears trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real. Had to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, all my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, knows my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in a beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all high like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Throw me to this paper.